How to use Taylor & Francis Online. Taylor & Francis Online is a platform giving access to the peer-reviewed journals published by Taylor & Francis and associated imprints. Taylor & Francis Online can be accessed by going to the e-resources page and clicking on the link on the T tab. Type your search term in the search box. As you type, you will be given the option to select subjects or journal titles, or you can click on the magnifying glass to search everything. The library doesn't subscribe to all the titles available in Taylor & Francis Online, so tick the box, Only show content I have full access to. You can filter the results by article type, by subject, by journal, or by publication date. Click on the title to read an article. You can get the details of the journal the article is from and access the journal homepage, or search within the journal. You can listen to the article being read, get the citation of the article for your bibliography. Most courses use the Harvard style. Jump to a section within the article. See any figures and data in the article. See the references used in the article. See articles that have referenced this article. See related and recommended articles. Share the article to social media or email. You can view a PDF version of the article, which allows you to print or download it. As well as articles, your search results will show journal titles. Clicking on a journal title will allow you to browse the issues and articles. You can also see special issues and collections if available, where again clicking on the title gives access to the articles in the issue. You can browse all the journals available alphabetically or filter by subject. Alternatively, you can explore the journals by subject from the home page, which will show featured journals and popular articles. You can narrow the subject further and see all the journals and articles.